The original design is from Selth Elkanah, and I want to show you how you can recreate something like this in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. It's a very simple one, and I'll show you exactly how this was created. The first thing we want to do is to get a plain background, right? Then the next we want to do is to bring in all the resources that we'll be using. Now, I want to get this guy here. Now, in another video, I'm going to show you how we got this text effect, okay? But that's not what I'm going to show you in this video. In this video, I just will show you how to use it. But in another video, I will show you how I was able to download it from FreePic and how I was able to edit it to the text that you want. But in this video, I just want to quickly work on this. All right, so this is it. Let me just remove the one at the top here. All right, so this is it. Then I'm going to crop it. Yeah. And yeah, okay, I will stretch this a little like this, and I'll stretch this a little like this. Okay, I'll go to perspective, and I would enable this. I will just do this like this. I'll do this like this. I'll do this like this. This like this. Okay. Okay, then this guy, take it in. Okay, now I'll just bring it here like this. All right, and I'll centralize it at the middle. All right, so I'm going to bring in this background here. So I'm working with this particular background. All right, so I'll just drag it here like this and put it there. Okay, now this is going to be the logo. We're going to be using Koinona logo. All right. Okay. Are you seeing that now? Now, text effect gives a very, very strong beauty to your job. It's as if you're almost done with 40% of what you're doing if you know how to use them very well. I will centralize this. Right, take it up a little. So this is where we are now. Now I'm going to bring in all the images. Right, so let's start with this, bring it to the front. Now the image looks very, very raw. I'm going to just increase the contrast a little. I will do this. Alright, I'll take this up, still increase this. Alright, so that we can control it very well, I'm going to come over here and I will do this, grab it. Okay, so this is the first image, right? I'm just going to reduce it like this and I'll put it here. Alright, then the second image is that of Benin. Right, so it's looking dull. I'm going to come over here and I'll bring it out. Now, when you're working with image, ensure that the size of the head like this, ensure that they're the same. So you don't blow this head and then reduce the other head. Make sure that you put them the same. All right, like this, something like that. Let's still bring this one out. Take this saturation. Okay. So for it to be like this, it means that something must come to the front. So let's bring this to the front. Let's pause this, lock it. This one is looking like it's too big, so still reduce it. All right, so there are others. So this right here, okay, Pastor Paul at the Pharisee. So increase the contrast. Okay, take this here. Okay. All right, so work on this. Make sure that the heads they are equal. Okay. Okay, so let's bring this here. All right. Okay, so the next is going to be the let's say two singers. So let's bring this. Should we bring this? Okay, so check that the head is equal. All right, let's use dancing. Okay, so Doncey's position is better here. So take this one out. Okay, we can put it here. Oh, let's put it here. So we just come over here. We increase this contrast. Then we work on this a little to bring out the face. And we can put it here like this. You see that now? All right, so the next thing we want to do is to get the last person, which is going to be maybe Ebuka. Okay, so make sure that the faces, they are cool. All right, so I'm going to 1 2 3 4 5. I'm going to move all of them just a little bit here. Now, know which is coming to the front and which is going to the back. All right, so I'm going to come over here, increase this a little. Now, the first is, okay, let these come to the front. All right, then of course this will come to the front, not Ebuka song, I mean these will come to the front, the first. Then Selma will come to the front. All right, see the way the arrangement is now. So I can even increase Selma's picture a little like this and put it here. All right, and I can reduce this a little. All right, see the arrangement have been done. So the next thing I want to do is to get something right here so that we can put in the other information. So I'm going to come over here and I'll do this. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this. I'll drag this here. I'll drag this here. All right, and then I'll centralize it. Okay, then I would copy this, copy it, and I'll put it here. All right, I hope you're following the video. Don't forget to like it. So I'm going to put this one here. Okay, then I'm going to bring this guy here. It's going to serve as where we can put the date and the time. All right, okay, like that. Then this is going to be here. You can drag it here like this. All right, so we can just decide to say, okay, let's make this one black. Okay, you can see that now. I make it black, and then you can put in all the various speakers' name. All right, so let me cut this guy. All right, so we can also come over here. Okay, so let's go. So this is going to be here. This is going to have the beauty to design too, because it's not like a Nigeria program. All right, so it's for UK. All right, so this other one can be here. We'll just reduce the opacity like this, okay? And then we can send it to the back. Then we'll send the original, this guy, to the back too. All right, so we have something like this, right? Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to put in all the information. So let's quickly do that. All right, so the time is going to be 9 p.m. perhaps. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so what I want to do now is to bring this guy here. All right, we can do that with a shadow, but let's just use this guy. All right, so that anybody can just understand what I'm doing. I'll bring this to the front. All right, then I would bring this to the front, all these guys to the front. Okay, then I'll bring this to the front and this to the front. See that now? Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to bring this down here like this. All right, you see that now? So the 9 p.m. is going to be here. All right, so the 9 p.m. okay. All right, I'm going to use a long font for it. So let's say Bibas, okay. Just carry it and put it there. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. So I'm going to bring it here. You can reduce it if it's too big. All right, then you can put in the address here. Okay, so the address can be here. Okay, so you can put the address here. Okay, let's say 123 Aduku Street, Okmagba. All right. Okay. So any other information can be under it. All right, so this is the way it is. You can see how the images are well arranged. You can look at the texture, the colors in their faces. They are very, very cool. So let me quickly put this one, and then we are good to go. We'll just save the design, and then we'll go. Don't forget to like this video and share it. Just share it to a friend. All right, and I want to know in the comment section, what is your favorite part of this tutorial? So I'm just going to put here, let's say 9 p.m. prompt. All right, put it there. Okay. So when you are done with your design, ensure you save it. If you don't save it, sometimes it may get scattered. All right, so I'm going to come over here and I'll just put theme. What am I writing? Theme. All right, arise. All Alright, you can see how cool it is. All we'll do now is that we'll save. Click on this icon here, click on save as project. Alright, ensure you save with your real name, so Arise Flyer or anything you want to save it with, and then it is saved. Once you save, you can take it to Pixellab or Snapseed to edit it. But this one is cool, just save it in HD quality and you're good to go. My name is Niamuda and I will see you in another tutorial. Let's go back to the original design and then let's see how it looks. Alright, so this is it. Like, share and comment, subscribe for more tutorials like this. I will see you in another tutorial.